mosque showdown in Himachal Pradesh that's spread now from Shimla to Mandi as well. The civic authority has given the Mandi mosque body 30 days to raise down a legal structure of the mosque. The board can appeal this decision within the next month. The order came after Hindu groups today took to the streets demanding action against the unauthorized structure which was built on Public Works Department land. Mosque authorities, however, say they've already demolished the illegal parts yesterday. Tensions escalated as protesters clashed with the police, who resorted to using water cannons to disperse the crowd when the demonstration turned violent.
जो आदेश है उसका पालन कराया जाएगा एंड ये जो आदेश है इस बारे में वो यही है कि जो पूर्व स्थिति थी कंस्ट्रक्शन से पहले उस पर रिस्टोर किया जाए, टीसीपी नॉर्म्स के अधीन लाया जाए। तो उनको समय दिया जाता है इसके तहत कि उसको लाएं और तब तक जैसे आप जानते हैं, जैसे मैंने बताया कि ना उधर कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है, कंस्ट्रक्शन रुकी हुई है, बिजली पानी कटी हुई है, आगे भी इस पे जो टू इंश्योर कि वो ना हो एमसी मंडी में
बिजली पानी कम्प्लीटली काट दिए, वो क्यों, किस बेस पे?
इसी बेसिस पे कि जो इन्होंने टीसीपी की परमिशन नहीं ली हुई थी उसके बेसिस पे।
और सील भी इसको अब किया जाएगा
जो अब एमसी मंडी अपने आदेश के पालना।
आपने स्पीकर में पूरे
ये आप गलत कह रहे हैं, ये हमने नहीं बोला कि वो सील करें, कि हम सील इसको करवाएंगे। ये अब उन्होंने बोला है, उन्होंने आह्वान जरूर किया कि आप इसको सील कर दें। हमने उनको ये बोला है कि जो कानून है उसके अनुसार कार्रवाई होगी, जो एक्ट कहता है उसके अनुसार कार्रवाई होगी।
उन्होंने बिना मैप की अप्रूवल के ये बिल्डिंग का निर्माण किया था, जो भवन बनाया था वहाँ उसका निर्माण किया था, तो वो कम्प्लीटली अवैध पाया गया, क्योंकि जब कोई नक्शा अप्रूवल के लिए सबमिट नहीं किया या सबमिट किया तो रिजेक्ट हो गया। तो उस दशा में फिर हम ये नहीं मान सकते कि वो कितना पार्ट उसका इलीगल है या लीगल है, वो पूरी बिल्डिंग ही इलीगल हो जाती है।
This comes even as Shimla has been simmering over the Sanjoli Mosque, with protesters demanding that it be demolished, citing that it's illegal. Listen in to what the Chief Minister had to say about this controversy in Himachal.
तो शिमला में जो मॉस्क का इशू था, वहां पे उन्होंने खुद आके प्रपोजल दिया है कि हम इसको अगर अलाउ करोगे तो डिमोलिश कर देंगे। तो क्या कोर्स ले रही है सरकार? देखिए,
शिमला में आकर उन्होंने कहा है, अब उसके बाद कानून है। वो तो चाहते हैं जो मस्जिद के मौलवी आए, मस्जिद के जो अध्यक्ष आए, मस्जिद के में जो नमाज पढ़ने वाले आए, उन सब ने कहा कि जो भी गैर कानूनी है उसको हम तोड़ देंगे, खुद ही तोड़ देंगे, अगर कमिश्नर उनको इजाजत देता है। तो आप बताइए कि ऐसा संस्कृति हिमाचल प्रदेश में देखने को मिलेगी कि जहां मुस्लिम समुदाय के लोग आकर अपने आप ही कह रहे हैं। तो हमारी संस्कृति में कभी ऐसा नहीं रहा कि एक दूसरे के धर्म के विरोध में रहे। हम आपस में रहने वाले लोग हैं।
Let's bring in Aman Bharadwaj, who's joining us live from Mandi in Himachal with more details. So on this, Aman, explain the controversy to us, because we've seen some parts of the mosque already being demolished yesterday. Some authorities suggesting that the illegal parts have already been gotten rid of. So what led to the protests today?
See, the mosque that's been constructed here, it's been here from last more than 100 years. That's what mosque committee says. And you see that plus mark that been marked by the administration or the MC of Mandi. The outer part, the outer wall was in the PWD land that was demolished by the Masjid committee itself. But now what commissioner has said, he says that the first and the second floor of this mosque is constructed without the permission of TCP. That's town and country planning. So when the map or the construction is not permitted from the TCP or the Nagar Nigam, so the whole building is considered to be illegal and illegally constructed. So they have given 30 days time to rebuild this, demolish this, and to maintain this in a way that it was in previous years. So that's what Nagar Nigam commissioner had ordered for 30 days. And in 30 days also the mosque committee can approach the higher court or the higher authorities in local bodies, because the secretary has to be approached if any decision comes by the commissioner, and both the floors has to be demolished by the mosque committee itself or by the department, if not demolished in 30 days. And you see police has barricaded the whole mosque outside, and electricity and the water supply to the mosque has also been disconnected by the department of Nagar Nigam itself, and today the mosque committee says that they'll approach the higher authorities, and it all started from 2005. The incident here happened, acid attack was happened when the protest was witnessed here, after which the wall that was the wall which is now here was 10 feet behind the present situation. So the whole incident, the whole construction began in few months back. The first and second floor was constructed.
And that's what's
few
led
months
to
back,
essentially the
after which
controversy. But 30 days given to the authorities of the mosque to go ahead and appeal against the demolition request. Thanks, Aman, for those details.